My Redmi phone is showing network unavailable. Emergency calls only. In this video, I'll show you some easy methods to fix this problem. Step 1. Turn airplane mode on and off. Step 2. Restart your phone. Step 3. Reset network settings. Step 4. Open the SIM card and clean it with a rubber or eraser. Your mobile network is now showing. If you still have no network on your mobile phone, please contact customer care. Sometimes the SIM card gets locked and the network doesn't come through.